So students, let us continue with our exercise number 2.9 second question. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 till k equal to 325, then we have to find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till k cube. Okay. So in our solution, 1 plus 2 plus 3 till k equal to 325, it is given in the question. You already know. Then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus till k cube equal to sigma power n divided by 1 into n cube. You know. That is, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula for sum of the n numbers, cubes of sum of the n numbers. Okay, so this is the formula. So you can note here that this one, this n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the formula for sum of n natural numbers. They are just squaring the sum of n natural numbers to get the sum of cubes of n natural numbers. So which is nothing but sigma power n divided by n power n into whole square. Okay, see n and n both n are there, then square means you will get n cube. Okay, so if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k equal to 325, then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till k cube is 325 whole square. That is, this is given n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is given 325. Then if you square it, we will get the answer, which is 1,05,625. That's all. You should just understand the question well, then you can write the answer very easily. Okay, third question is, if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till k cube equal to 44,100, then we have to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 till k. Okay, so nothing, this question is just opposite of the before question, which is if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is k cube, that is equal to 44,100, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but, here you squared it, now you are going to take the square root. That's it. So if you take the square root, it is 210. I think you know how to take square roots. Okay, so do it yourself, and it should be written in the rough column of your classwork. Okay, so fourth question is, how many terms of series is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till infinity should be taken to get the sum 14,400. They are asked, you know they have the sequence here, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. So they are asking till how many terms if you take to sum this, you will get this 14,400 they are asking. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube till n cube equal to 14,400 they are given in the question, which is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square equal to 14,400. This formula is, general formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, na? So we are substituting it there, which is you should take this in the square form, which is 120 whole square, it is 14,400. So now you can cancel this square and square now. You can see that n into n plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 120. Okay, then n into n plus 1 equal to, you will take this to this side, you will get 120 into 2. So n square, that is n into n is n square, and n into 1 is n, equal to 240. So that is, you will take this 240 this side, it will become minus. Then this is our equation. Now you should factorize it. Okay, so the hint is minus 240 is, when you separate it, you will get 16 into minus 15. So I am just writing it here, n square plus 16n minus 15n minus 240 equal to 0, n into n plus 16 minus 15 into n plus 16 equal to 0, and you should take this term and this term, na? So n minus 15 equal to 0, so n equal to 15, n plus 16 equal to 0 means n equal to 16. So n equal to 16 comma 15. Therefore 15 terms of the AP should be taken to get the sum 14,400, because the number of terms should be positive always. Okay, next to the question, the sum of squares of first n natural numbers is 285. They are given. Find the sum of their cubes, and the sum of the cubes is 2025. Then we are going to find the n. Okay, so in our solution, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square is 285 given in the question. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers means this only. First n natural numbers starts from 1 and ends in n square. So the next is sum of first n cubes they are telling. So we'll write the cubes, and it is equal to 2025. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square equal to 2025. Okay, we'll just write this in the formula form. Then this in the formula form, if we write, first we are finding cubes. Okay, just we'll calculate. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square equal to, here it is in the square form. So here also you should take it in the square form, which is 45 square. If you take root, you will get square root, you will get 45. Okay, so then cancel the square and square. You can cancel. Okay, so n into n plus 1 divided by 2 equal 45. This 2 will go this side and will become n square plus n equal to 90. So this 90 will come this side and will become minus 90 equal to 0. Then if you separate this, you will get n square plus 10n minus 9n minus 90 equal to 0. Then n into n plus 10 into minus n into n plus 10 equal to 0, and n minus 9 equal to 0, and then n equal to 9, n plus 10 equal to 0 means n equal to minus 10. Therefore n equal to minus 10 and 9. So n equal to 9, because the sum of the terms, the number of the terms cannot be negative. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square is 285. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 equal to 285. I am just now checking or verifying. Okay, so if n equal to 9, then n into n plus 1 into 2 into n plus 1, that is equal to, divided by 6 is 285. Then you will take this 6 this side, or you can cancel it here itself. Now I am cancelling it here, then I will get here itself. Then this will become 3 when you cancel it. Then when you calculate everything, 15 into 19 is 285, which is 285 equal to 285. Hence verify. Just I verified from here is the verification. You can write it, but it is not compulsory, but you can write it to get more marks, and you will get a perfect answer actually. Okay. So sixth question is, Rekha has 15 square color paper sizes of 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 till 24 cm. Okay, how much area can be decorated with these color papers? Okay, see, these are the lengths of a square, different squares. So which one square's length is 10, another square's length is 11, and another square's length is 12. So we can take this as 10 square, 11 square, 12 square till 24 square, because you know what is the area of a square. Area of a square is a square. So this is a, then you should take the area as square only. Okay, so now you can think, note that as it starts from 10 and continues till 24. So you can know how to do it. 1 to 24 first you should find. 1 square to 24 square first you should find. Then 1 to 9 square you should find. You should subtract this small part with this big part, then you will get this 10 square till 24. So I am doing it here. So 1 square till 24 square minus 1 square till 9 square. Then n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, which is n equal to 24, and minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, where n equal to 9. So you will substitute the formulas and you will get 4900 minus 285, which is 4615. Okay, therefore Rekha has 4615 centimeter square color papers. She can decorate it with 4615 centimeter area with color paper. So our seventh question is, find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 15 cube to till 10 terms. Okay, so our first one, this is still n terms, so our first one n terms, then this is 8 terms, still 8 terms you are going to find. So solution is 2 cube minus 1 plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 10 cube till n. Okay, so you know sigma power n divided by 1 into 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. You should separate these things first. Okay, you should take this 2 cube, 4 cube and 6 cube one side, and this 1, 3 and 15 this side. Okay, take it as like. Okay, sorry students, this is 5 cube, by mistake I wrote it. This is 5 cube. Okay, So you are writing it separately like this. You are separating it. Then you will get this. You can write it as you know what is even number. 2 into n is any even number. So you can write this whole thing as 2 into n power cube. Okay. I think you understood. Then n is any natural number. This n numbers. Okay. Number of terms will be the n, and minus this you can write. You know what is an odd number. It is even number. Minus 1 is a odd number. So even number is 2n and minus 1 is a odd number. So whole cube. Okay. I think you understood. Which is a cube minus b cube formula you should take. That is a minus b a whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So you will substitute the values 2n minus 2n plus 1 whole cube plus 3n into 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2n plus 1. So you know that 2n and minus 2n cancel, 2n and minus 2n cancel. So this will be 1 cube plus 3 into 2n into 2n minus 1. This is into 1 also the same thing only. You will get the same thing. So 1, you should not cut this 1 because it is in plus. This sign is plus here. But here you can see. Here it is plus, but you should take the outer symbol only. Here it is minus na. So we will take minus, and this is plus. You should not cancel this 1. This 1 is very, very important. So you can change it as 6n into 2n plus 1, and 1 cube is 1. So this is 1 into 6n into 2n, that is 1 plus 6n into 2n is 12n square, and 6n minus 1 is 6n. So sigma into 1 plus 12n square minus 6n means, sigma means you should substitute it in the formula. So that is n plus 12. This is n plus 12 only. Okay. Then 12 into n square. You know the sum of the squares of that formula. You know no sum of squares formula. So I am substituting it here. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the formula of sum of the squares of n natural numbers. Okay. And in minus 6n means 6 into n means sum of n natural numbers formula. You should put it here. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Then you will multiply all these things and cancel everything. Then you will get n plus 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 3n into n plus 1. Then you will get the final answer. You will do this. I think you will write it by yourself. Then I will get when n equal to 8. This is our formula. So see, n plus 4n cube plus 4n square plus 2n square plus 2n minus 3n square minus 3n. So this whole thing will get cancelled because n plus 2n is 3n, 3n minus 3n is nothing. So 4n cube will be the same. Then 4n square plus 2n square is 6n square minus 3n square is 3n square. So this is the sum of the n terms you found out now. So you should substitute the n equal to 8. This is our first part solution. Second part solution is when n equal to 8, we are going to define the sum. So you should substitute n equal to 8. Then you will get 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square. You will get 2048 plus 192, which is 2240. That's all.